There are places on the map, and then there are states that are built with sacrifice. Maharashtra is not just land, it is a story of struggle, identity, and unstoppable spirit. Every year on May 1st, we celebrate Maharashtra Day. But do we truly know what it took to create this state? This is not just a celebration, this is a reminder of protests, of voices that refuse to be silenced, and of heroes who gave everything so that a dream called Maharashtra could become a reality. Let's go back in time. Before 1960, India had a massive state called Bombay State. It included regions speaking different languages: Marathi, Gujarati, Kutchi. But language is more than words. It is an identity. People wanted states that reflected their culture and language. And that's when began one of the most powerful movements in India, the Sanyukta Maharashtra movement. Thousands came together with one demand: a separate state for Marathi speaking people. But this wasn't easy. Protest filled the streets, voices turned into slogans, and then came a heartbreaking moment. Over 100 protesters lost their lives in police firing during the movement. Their sacrifice shook the nation. And finally, on May 1st, 1960, Bombay State was divided into two states, Maharashtra and Gujarat. And a dream became a reality. Maharashtra was born. But this state was not just formed by decisions, it was shaped by legends. This is the land of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, a warrior who didn't just fight battles, he built an empire based on courage, strategy, and respect. A king who stood for Hindavi Swarajya, self-rule. And his legacy was carried forward by his son, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, a symbol of unmatched bravery and sacrifice, who chose death over surrender, protecting his faith and his people till his last breath. Then came the brilliant strategist Bajirao Peshwe I, a warrior who never lost a single battle, whose courage and military genius expanded the Maratha Empire across India. We cannot forget Bal Gangadhar Tilak, who ignited the fire of freedom with the powerful words, "Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it." A leader who turned festivals into movements and people into revolutionaries. And the fearless revolutionary Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, Veer Savarkar, who endured unimaginable hardships in the Andaman Cellular Jail, yet never let the flame of freedom die. We bow to Babasaheb Ambedkar, the architect of the Indian Constitution, a man who fought against inequality and gave a voice to millions. And Savitribai Phule, a woman ahead of her time, who opened the doors of education for girls when society tried to shut them forever. But Maharashtra's greatness doesn't end in history. It echoes in art, music, and modern legends. Dadasaheb Phalke, the man who gave India its first film, Raja Harishchandra, and laid the foundation of an entire film industry. The voice of India, Lata Mangeshkar, whose songs became emotions for generations, and her equally legendary sister, Asha Bhosle, whose versatility redefined music across decades. Pandit Bhimsen Joshi, the legendary vocalist in the Hindustani classical tradition, the Kirana Gharana. Pula Deshpande, the beloved Marathi writer, humorist, and musician. And in the world of sports, Sachin Tendulkar, a name who is not just a player, but an emotion for millions, who carried the hopes of a nation on his shoulders. But Maharashtra's greatness cannot be defined by just a few legends, because this land has produced countless heroes across every field. From fearless revolutionaries like Vasudev Balwant Phadke and the Chapekar brothers, to visionary reformers like Dhondo Keshav Karve and scientific minds like Dr. Homi Bhabha. From cricket legend Sunil Gavaskar to Olympic hero Khashaba Jadhav and world-class shooter Anjali Bhagwat. These are just a few names in an endless legacy of courage, talent, and inspiration, because the spirit of Maharashtra has always been limitless. From warriors to reformers, from artists to icons, from revolutionaries to legends, Maharashtra has never lacked heroes. Today, Maharashtra stands tall as one of India's most powerful states. From the financial capital Mumbai to the cultural heritage of Pune, to the city called Dakshin Kashi, Kolhapur, to the orange city Nagpur, from industries, from spirituality to innovation, Maharashtra is a perfect blend of tradition and progress. But remember, this success is built on the foundation of sacrifices, struggles, and dreams. So, this Maharashtra Day, don't just post a status. Take a moment to remember those who gave their lives to build this identity. Because Maharashtra is not just a state, it's courage, it is pride, it is resilience, and above all, it is a legacy that lives in every Marathi heart. If this story gave you goosebumps, share it with someone who should know this history. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And celebrate the spirit of Maharashtra every single day. Jai Maharashtra!